Hey, welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. We have an extensive library of tutorials for all the top WordPress page builders. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you can see them when they come out. Okay, now on to today's tutorial.
Today I'm going to show you how to create a responsive header mobile menu in Elementor. We'll cover some best practices to ensure your header is user-friendly, accessible, and effective. Let's dive into the 3 basics of mobile menu best practices. First, limit menu items. Keep primary menu items to 5 to 7. You can add more sub-menu items if needed. Next, make it expandable. Use intuitive icons like the hamburger icon to indicate where users can access the menu. Utilize accordion or drop-down style menus. Lastly, ensure it's easily clickable. Ensure the text is large and menu items are clickable. Tap targets should be at least 44 by 44 pixels, with enough padding between links to prevent accidental clicks. Now let's create a responsive header mobile menu in Elementor. Navigate to the templates. Click on Theme Builder and then click on the header section where you want to create your header menu. Add a new section. Click on the plus icon to add a new section. Choose a 2-column structure for the menu. For each container, set the width to 50% instead of pixels, so the width will be flexible on any type of screen. Add a logo and navigation menu. Drag the logo widget from the Elementor panel into the section and do the same for the navigation menu. If you're wondering why it's automatically a hamburger icon, it's because it is already set in the mobile drop-down settings. Here, you can set the breakpoint at which the toggle button or hamburger menu appears. When adding the menu, you can upload an SVG menu if you want to. You can customize the style for your menu.
Hey, we've got a quick favor to ask. If you've made it this far into that tutorial, please smash that like button. It will really help out this channel and these tutorials. Okay, now back to the actual tutorial. Thank you.
In the Active section, you can choose any icon to replace the default icon. Choose your menu from the drop-down in the Content settings. Adjust the width and alignment of each element for desktop and tablet views. Customize the style of each item. Under Pointer, choose how you want to recognize each item when pointing the cursor. In the Sub-menu indicator, you can add an arrow to indicate that there is a sub-menu item, or choose none for a sleek look. Final adjustments. Make the menu transparent and overlay it to look minimalist. After that, click Update and preview the changes. So let's go to the new sample to see what the header looks like. And that's it. You've now created a responsive header mobile menu in Elementor.
Okay, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And these videos take a lot of time, so if you do appreciate the content, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so we can reach more people. Thank you. And if you have any comments or questions, leave in the section below and we will get to them as soon as we can. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.